Hey Lindsay, this is Cameron over at Audi Volkswagen Fall River. Just going to show you a little bit of the interior of your car. If you look onto the left side of your vehicle, you'll notice you'll have 4 automatic windows, and the child safety locks for the doors and the windows will be on the bottom left hand side. You will have your mirror adjustments right here for your left and right mirror. You do have a power folding mirror option in this car and heated mirrors on that same button. Of course, the unlock button will be on the top left and top right of the driver and passenger doors. On the bottom left, you will have your seat memory system and your power tailgate. You have 2 seat memory system options, and all you do by that is just click set and click the number 1 for yourself, and now that memory for the mirrors and your seat will now be memorized. If you look on over to the steering wheel, you will have your hands-free options right here. If your phone is connected to Apple CarPlay, which I saw it has been, then you can just hold this button down right here for the hands-free and use your Siri option. Down here is a customizable asterisk, and you can have that be something of your choice through the system of the car, and I will show you that later in the vehicle settings. Down here you will get your cruise control. For the set portion, you'll be clicking in this button in, and then for the speed differential, the up will be the plus on that and the minus will be down, and there is a distance control right here for the adaptive cruise. Left hand side, you're going to have automatic headlights and automatic rain lights for the front of the vehicle. Of course, you're going to have your automatic high beam right here, and you do get your lane assist actions on the left hand button right here. And you will notice that it is on right underneath the speedometer on the dash. It will have your little car with your lane guidance lines. And of course, on the steering wheel, you can change the view of what you're looking at, from your gas mileage to your Bluetooth connectivity, your phone when it's connected to your telephone MMI of the Audi, and then on your car, the navigation. You can have this up behind the speedometer and odometer, or you can change the view and have that just behind it as well. So there's a lot of different things you can play around with on the vehicle. If you move on over to the infotainment system of the car now, use the phone app system. You're going to have your connected devices, and you will see your phone for Apple CarPlay. This is when you want your phone to be in the Apple CarPlay mode. And then of course, going to this little satellite right here, we'll have your Sirius XM, your AM and your FM. And then down here is your regular Bluetooth media connectivity. If you're connected through Apple CarPlay, you do not need to use the bottom 2. You can just use it right through the app connected phone apps. And then of course your navigation will be the last on that little parameter right there. And you can have your navigation above your speedometer and odometer instead, and have your radio playing on here as well. It's all up to you. On the bottom end of the vehicle, you're going to notice the climate control is pretty standard for the fan adjustments and both sides for the temperature. You can just simply turn it off and just have everything off or on. Your heated seats are a high, medium, low function on both sides. Underneath here, you will get a wireless charging pad for your phone. Above will be the drive select for the vehicle. You have a comfort mode, an automatic, a dynamic, and off-road function. That dynamic mode is going to be a little more sporty feel when you're turning, and a little bit more higher RPM engagement for the sportiness of the car. Of course, your traction control will be right here. And then your automatic start and stop function. When you're going to a red light, the vehicle is going to turn off and be eco-friendly. If you do not want that function on, you can just turn that off and have the red light on, and that will not be on during the duration of your ride. Besides that, you will see the parking sensors and cameras that we have in the vehicle. As soon as you throw your car in reverse, this is going to pop up on your screen. You're going to notice the back end view of the car, and so you can see where you're backing up to. Other than that, you have a 360 bird's eye view, front end view, back side view, the front rim view, so when you're getting close to those curbs, you're not dinging any of those nice wheels, and the back rim view as well.